Follow along to make these easy Halloween party trophies. I used 3 plastic vases, 3 plastic skeletons, 3 skull stands, my glue gun, and gold spray paint. Start by gluing the skeletons to the side of the vase. Now, glue the skull stand on the bottom of the vase. Once complete, I took them outside and gave them a coat of gold spray paint. You can also add a small chalkboard sign at the bottom with the name of each category. Thanks for watching, and make sure to like and subscribe.